This video will be going more in depth into private fields in JavaScript, so we'll be using using them for a way to authenticate a user. So first, create a class user, and let's say we have variables this dot username. We don't want them to change their username willy-nilly, so it should be a private field. Or no, just username, not this. Equals, let's say it starts off as guest. Password, let's say it starts off as null, because they are a guest until they log in. And let's say we have get user, turn this username, get pass, turn this dot password, and the constructor, so initialize, and let's say let user one equals the user. And let's log user one dot get user. So it should say guest. And if we were to get the password, get pass, should say guest no. Now let's say we wanted to set the username to whatever the username a valid account is. So once the user logs in, so let's say set user pass. So let's say, and we'll take in user, and let's say some function, some database function, user pass, and let's say and let's say we have some database function that could potentially error due to factors outside of our control. Like maybe the server's just down, power outage, stuff like that. So let's make sure to wrap it in a try catch block. Here. And if this function returns true, that would signify in this case that the username and password provided belong to a valid account. So then it's And let's say in change into this. So let's try it out. Insert fill. That's the username and just random password. So it goes from guest null to our valid account, and let's keep running it. And as you can see, when the database function failed, this is just an example. Obviously, it wouldn't fail like literally like this, but this just signifies like a random event. So I didn't update it. And we cannot just change the username. It's gonna error. Well, actually, it's gonna set another property, but the actual username field is still gonna be safe. I meant to do this. If you want to actually try to directly change it, it's not gonna be. So yeah, that's some more work with private fields. So yeah, sub if you want, like if you want